Yo, what is up everybody, and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're having an amazing week. Currently it is Tuesday and let's get right into the charts. As you can see, Bitcoin is potentially still remaining in my pattern right here that I have been calling since this top right here after we rejected from the trend line. Now we did not actually reach that trend line, which is the price could have been sitting at 115.6k, as you can see right here, but we are on the daily time frame still above these previous lows right here. So technically we are, if we look at it, we are still above the value area low right here as support, and also still above the weekly pivot. So this week may continue bullish, but we need to keep in mind that after just 8 hours we do have a new monthly candle open, so that would be determining the next direction in which price would be going. So in my opinion, it is possible if we close this month like this, and if the month does not start bullish, we might go all the way up to 116k potentially, and then we might see that bearish candle that we saw right here. Basically we might see a monthly candle of around 17, maybe 20%, which would from here take us all the way down to that very key level. I am not saying that this is 100% sure, but Bitcoin, in my opinion, the correction that we have right here was too small from the all-time high, basically only 13%. And in my opinion, if we are to go and touch my target of $150,000, we might firstly want to see some more of a correction for Bitcoin, or since Q4 starts right now, basically the quarterly 4, tomorrow is the 1st of October. Everybody is waiting for Q4, since as you know, historically Q4 is a very bullish for Bitcoin. So we might also, if you look at it on the yearly pivot resistance levels, you can see right here, we might just consolidate in this range, and then we can potentially push back above this target right here, which is sitting at 123k. And once we break through 123k, then it is possible that we hit this target right here. As you can see, it is sitting at 150k, and we might see one more down push to 106k, basically to grab that liquidity that's sitting here, and then we might see that reversal. We might not go this lower as I am anticipating, basically, but we might see this playing out. It depends. Right now price is very interesting, consolidating right here. Since it is Q4, I don't think that we will go that much lower, but it is possible. Even though Q4 is very bullish historically, we might get that correction before we actually start going up higher. As you can see, we still have liquidity sitting on the downside. We grabbed the liquidity that was piling on the top side, as you can see right here. So we might go for one more liquidity slip towards the downside, and then we are potentially going to be pushing higher. Something very interesting happened today. The Bitcoin ETF inflows, we got 500,000 of inflows, but BlackRock has been selling 2 days in a row, which is very interesting to see the other institutions buying, and BlackRock is potentially just taking profits, in my opinion. And also on the Fear and Greed Index, we are back in that neutral zone, and the last 2 times that we touched the fear, we were always bottoming out. So this time might be the same. As you know, since Q4 is starting, this is where potentially the bottom could have been for Bitcoin, but it is also possible that we get this scenario playing out first before we get that massive push to the upside. The longs versus shorts ratio for today, as you can see, is currently we do have more sellers in the market, which is normal, as you know, since we do have the bigger institutions selling out. So also we do have some news today. We got jobs, we got President Trump speaking. Tomorrow we got PMI, On Thursday we got unemployment claims, and on Friday we do have more important news that would be giving us some very strong volatility in the markets. So this is what to be expecting for this week, guys. And that will be it for today's update video. I hope you liked it. Subscribe for my channel, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.